If you've lost your sending privileges on Uber, restoring them can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Uber account and navigate to the account settings. Look for any notifications or alerts regarding your sending privileges. This will help you understand the reason for the restriction. Step 2. Review Uber's policies. Familiarize yourself with Uber's community guidelines and policies. Understanding the rules can help you identify any potential violations that may have led to the loss of privileges. Step 3. Contact Uber support. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow up on your requests. After submitting your request to restore your privileges, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for any updates from Uber. Be prepared to provide additional information if requested. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. Once Uber has reviewed your case, they will notify you of their decision. If your privileges are restored, ensure you adhere to all guidelines moving forward to prevent future issues. By following these steps, you can work towards restoring your sending privileges on Uber. Remember to stay informed about the platform's policies to maintain a good standing.